y'all boys. Today we're doing something real simple. We're gonna go ahead and change these windshield wipers. I know y'all see this part hanging right here, bro. This has got to go. So let me go ahead and get the windshield wipers out the trunk. I got mine out of Walmart. I think the length you're supposed to get is 26 inch and 18 inch. So let me show y'all them real quick. It's got these Michelin wipers. Nothing crazy, nothing too crazy expensive. You can get these for like, I don't know, like maybe $7 or $8 each. So let me open them real quick. We're gonna go ahead and install them. What I got is the Michelin High Performance Conventional All Season Wipers. And these look very different from the ones that come on the car, like the stock OEM ones. So let me go ahead and show y'all how to take them off real quick. We're gonna start with the longer one. All right, so basically all you're gonna have to do is, it's a little tab right here. It's a little tab right here. What you're gonna do is squeeze it in and pull these down. And it come off just like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the other one. Let me show you how to tab real quick. So this right here is the tab. What you're gonna do is pull this inward and then just pull it straight down. So let me show you on the other side. Jesus, this one don't want to come out. There we go. Did you see that right there? I just marked up the freaking wrap, bro. Car's dirty anyway, doesn't matter. So let's get to putting the new ones up there. And these just got like, the ones you may have may not be like this, but it has like easy lock technology. So all I have to do is basically slide it on there. So let me go ahead and get started. Upside down, y'all. Good grief. And there you go. That one's on there completely. To the next one. Push this through and then slide this all the way up. And there you go. And that was a windshield wiper replacement or install. And I appreciate y'all for watching. This is another video with y'all boy Zay. Videos every Wednesday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Zay, and I'm out of here, man. We also gonna have to adjust the windshield wipers, because do you see that? When the windshield wipers come and then come all the way off right here, I don't know how it does that. I'm gonna have to adjust them. I'll do that in another video. But it's putting a hole in the wrap and it's tearing the paint under the wrap. So we're gonna have to solve that immediately.